So tomorrow is a really important day because the Innovators Toolkit finally goes on sale. And it's a labor of love. It's got everything I wish I'd been taught at the beginning of my career, or at any time in my career, really, because it's what supercharged my reputation, my career advancement. It's got everything in there that really helped me produce more valuable work, do my best work, and do it more enjoyably and efficiently. There's 100 reasons why this course is really high quality and designed to provide an awful lot of value and relief for people in large enterprise trying to do good work in quite difficult circumstances. But what I wanted to say today was just a quick thank you, really, to all the people who have been incredibly supportive in the journey. You know who you are. There's lots of people who fed into this particular toolkit and really contributed to much of the content over many years. So this is the culmination of not just my expertise, but my team's, the big thinkers on the planet. Many of you know I'm a Dr. Deming disciple. Design thinking, agile, lean, these are all proven methodologies that make life easier. And when you know how to apply them, produce extraordinary results. Yeah, I wanted to say thank you to lots of people who've inspired me to be brave enough to put this out and make it public, to the technical people who've really helped me produce something very smooth, efficient, and easy to watch, learn, and enjoy. But an unusual thank you to the people who were difficult to work with and who, because of them, I had to learn strategies that boxed in bad behavior and drove out those unwanted outcomes in projects. To you, I'm also grateful, because if it hadn't have been for some very difficult people I've had to work with over the many, many years, I wouldn't have learned the tools and techniques that allowed me to do great work. So thank you to those people too. And thank you to the people who don't get carried away with glitzy, well-marketed content and courses. This is producing successful innovation reliably and consistently is about stability and about using step-by-step processes. It's not sexy, it's reliable, it's steady, and that's not always as sexy as let's do something fun and engaging and woo-hoo. But the entire course is of substance, and it's credible and it's expert and it's intelligent, and it's designed to really shortcut your journey to these tools and shortcut it much quicker than I was able to discover it. Thank you to everybody who's been a positive influence on the course and the program and the vision to allow a whole load more people access to the way we work. And thank you to all those people who really believe that there's a calm, easy, simple, reliable way of working, and it doesn't have to be razzle-dazzle. It can just be good. So thank you to those people who've inspired me to stay the course and trust in methods and trust in process, and just produce something that I'm proud of.